In our last video, we talked about the top 10 countries in the world where tiger sharks can be found. In this installment, we're going to look at the top 10 seas or regions that host substantial numbers of these magnificent creatures. As always, we'll start off with number 10, which is the Caribbean Sea. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Stick around until the end, because the final two have some very interesting and important facts about tiger shark ecology. The Caribbean Sea is home to three famous tiger shark aggregation sites: Tiger Beach in the Bahamas, Bimini, and Grand Bahama. These areas are well known to divers who seek out the opportunity to swim with tiger sharks in their natural habitat. They are also heavily studied by researchers trying to learn more about the biology and behavior of these complex animals. One study looked at multiple aspects of tiger sharks in the Bahamas and reported them to be the most abundant large shark species there, accounting for nearly half of all large shark sightings. Another study published by One Earth reports that the tiger sharks of Tiger Beach use giant seagrass beds as their hunting grounds. The article mentions that the site is an aggregation hotspot for tiger sharks, meaning they come together in large numbers. This is important because scientists believe that these seagrass meadows are the world's largest, and that tiger sharks play an important role in maintaining their health. Research suggests that tiger shark presence keeps the seagrass ecosystem thriving by controlling prey populations and preventing overgrowth. Additionally, the same area has been identified as a major pupping site. Pups are young tiger sharks born from a litter. A paper published by ResearchGate discusses the Bimini boars and how they've been observed during different months of the year, with peak pupping activity in August. The study highlights that not only are the Bahamas home to a large population of tiger sharks, but they are also a crucial location for pupping. This finding underscores the significance of protecting the Bahamas ecosystem to ensure the survival of these endangered animals. Number 9. The Central Indian Ocean. Tiger sharks can be found throughout the tropical and subtropical waters of the world, but some regions stand out as particularly notable for hosting significant populations of these sharks. One such area is the Central Indian Ocean, especially around the Maldives. The Maldives is a beautiful island nation known for its pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters. It is also home to a rich diversity of marine life, including a significant population of tiger sharks. In recent years, the Maldives has gained recognition as one of the world's largest localized tiger shark aggregations. This makes it a premier destination for those looking to observe these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. One study published in the Journal of Shark Research reports that tiger shark abundance in the Maldives has increased in the last decade. This growth in population has made the Maldives a hotspot for shark tourism, attracting divers and researchers from around the world. The paper also states that the Maldives represents an important reproductive and aggregation area for tiger sharks, and that local conservation efforts have contributed to the increase in their numbers. This success story demonstrates the importance of protecting marine ecosystems to ensure the survival of endangered species. 8. The Central Pacific. The Central Pacific region is another area known for its high concentration of tiger sharks. The Hawaiian Islands in particular are famous for their diverse marine life, including a large population of tiger sharks. Tiger sharks are commonly observed circling the islands and are believed to travel widely between them, according to the State of Hawaii Department of Land and Natural Resources, Division of Aquatic Resources. Tiger sharks are among the most common large predatory sharks encountered by surfers and swimmers in Hawaii. They are responsible for a greater number of unprovoked shark attacks than any other species in the state. However, despite their reputation as dangerous predators, tiger sharks play an important role in the marine ecosystem and should be respected and protected. 7. Northeastern or Western Australia. The coastal waters of Australia's northeastern and western regions are also home to a large population of tiger sharks. Multiple studies have demonstrated the persistent presence of tiger sharks in these areas, highlighting their importance in the local ecosystem. For example, a research paper published in 2018 examined the dietary ecology of tiger sharks in Shark Bay, Australia. The study revealed that tiger sharks play a significant role in the bay's ecosystem as generalist predators, consuming a wide variety of prey species. Another study conducted in 2017 investigated the spatial ecology of tiger sharks in the Ningaloo Coast World Heritage Area. The findings showed that tiger sharks exhibit philopatry, meaning they return to their natal areas to breed. These studies demonstrate the importance of protecting these coastal regions not only for the tiger sharks themselves, but also for the overall health of the marine ecosystem. Number 6. The Western Indian Ocean. The Western Indian Ocean is another region with a high concentration of tiger sharks. The warm coastal waters of Mozambique and South Africa's KwaZulu-Natal province regularly record tiger shark sightings. These sharks are often seen cruising along the coast or lurking in the shallows, making them a common sight for locals and tourists alike. Additionally, nearby islands such as Mauritius, Seychelles, and the Maldives also have significant tiger shark populations. These waters are home to a variety of prey species that attract tiger sharks, including fish, turtles, and seals. The warm climate and abundant prey make the Western Indian Ocean a perfect habitat for tiger sharks to thrive. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these populations and ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. Number 5. The Gulf of Mexico. The Gulf of Mexico is home to a significant population of tiger sharks. These waters are particularly important for the species, as they provide critical habitat for juvenile tiger sharks, which are highly vulnerable to extinction. As a result, conservation efforts in the Gulf of Mexico are focused on protecting the nurseries where these young sharks grow up. The United States is home to the majority of the world's tiger shark nurseries. With Florida, Texas, and Louisiana leading the way, several non-governmental organizations are working to protect these vital habitats, including the Florida Wildlife Federation and the National Marine Fishery Service. Despite these efforts, tiger shark populations remain at risk due to overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change. However, with continued conservation efforts, it is possible that these magnificent creatures will continue to thrive in the Gulf of Mexico for generations to come. Number 4. The Red Sea. The Red Sea is another region with a high concentration of tiger sharks. The warm waters of the Red Sea are home to a diverse range of marine life, including a significant population of tiger sharks. These sharks are attracted to the abundance of prey in the area, including fish and dolphins. Tiger sharks are known to congregate in the Red Sea, particularly around the islands of Elphinstone and Shabdori. Divers flock to these areas to witness the incredible tiger sharks up close. The Red Sea is also home to several species of endangered marine life, making it an important conservation area. Protecting the Red Sea's unique ecosystem is crucial to ensuring that tiger sharks and other endangered species continue to thrive. 3. The Persian Gulf. The Persian Gulf is another region with a significant tiger shark population. While tiger sharks are found throughout the world's tropical and subtropical waters, they are particularly abundant in the Persian Gulf. Despite the challenging environmental conditions in the region, including high temperatures and low oxygen levels, tiger sharks have adapted to thrive in these waters. Sharks play an important role in the food chain, feeding on smaller fish and keeping their populations under control. Conservation efforts are underway to protect tiger shark habitats in the Persian Gulf and raise awareness about the importance of these magnificent creatures. Number 2. The Bering Sea. The Bering Sea is another region that hosts a considerable number of tiger sharks. Although tiger sharks prefer warmer waters, they can occasionally be found in the colder waters of the Bering Sea. During the summer months, tiger sharks migrate to the Bering Sea to feed on the abundant fish populations. This migration can be dangerous for the sharks, as they must contend with other predators such as killer whales and human activities such as fishing. Despite these challenges, tiger sharks have adapted to survive in the harsh conditions of the Bering Sea. Researchers are still learning about the tiger shark's presence in the Bering Sea and its behavior and ecology in this region. Understanding the factors that drive their movements and the threats they face is essential for developing effective conservation strategies. And finally, number 1, the Mediterranean Sea. The Mediterranean Sea is another region that hosts a significant number of tiger sharks. These sharks are typically found in the warmer areas of the Mediterranean, such as the western and southern coasts of the sea. Tiger sharks are attracted to the Mediterranean's diverse marine life and abundant prey, including fish, turtles, and seals. Conservation efforts are underway to protect tiger shark habitats in the Mediterranean and raise awareness about the importance of these creatures. However, tiger shark populations in the Mediterranean are facing threats from various sources, including overfishing and habitat destruction. These threats have led to a decline in the sharks' numbers in recent years. Despite these challenges, organizations such as the Mediterranean Association for the Conservation of Sharks and Rays, Mediset, are working to protect tiger sharks in the region. Mediset's efforts include conducting research on tiger shark populations, promoting sustainable fishing practices, and educating the public about the importance of conserving these magnificent creatures. Well, that brings us to the end of our list of the top 10 seas in the world where tiger sharks can be found. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you know of any other seas or regions that are home to large populations of tiger sharks, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.